Today, we look at Ideogram. Now, I was going to make some notes for this as it is a tit to prompt. However, someone beat me to it. Ninx has made a wonderful node. So well done, and say thanks to him, links below. Usual drill, supporters of me on my coffee page, get access to this. All those too tight to support me, you need to squint and watch what I am doing to create your own workflow. Quickly look at this output before we move on. There is a spelling mistake here. But the actual skin quality of this LoRa and look of the images this model makes is very good. This prompt node is the daddy. I will come back in a moment to show you how it works. This will make our JSON prompt for us. There are 3 modes: Turbo, Default, and Quality. Turbo is 8 steps-ish, and Quality is 48. There is a LoRa section that has to be applied to both of the diffusion models, as there are 2 which both must be used at the same time in Ideogram. I have flash attention nodes that speed stuff up, but only if you have it. The rest of the workflow is simple enough: model loaders, etc. This pink prompt node essentially makes a JSON which is used for our prompt. A JSON is a highly formatted and structured bit of text. You have to be massively autistic to write this out by hand. With this node, we can draw object boxes to put characters or things in, or text boxes to put writing in. I begin by drawing an object box. By the way, we are going to make a Chinese restaurant menu. As I struggle to type and spell, I am actually putting in a global prompt in first, the short description of what we want. Then I put in the background and environment. My eyesight is shit, and I did not have the normal zoom I use as I was recording, so go on, have a giggle. I then move on to aesthetics, lighting, and photo. Every field must be filled in. You cannot skip any of these, or the JSON will not form correctly and the generation will fail. I quickly define our object box, as this is to be the area our menu will reside in. We have set our global parameters and our object box. Now let us add some text boxes for the content of our Chinese menu. You have to draw your boxes outside of an existing box or click the Add button, a bit fiddly, but you can move shit around easy enough. The first text box I define as the menu heading. I enter the text as in the words I want, and then I describe the font or style of those words. I begin now to add more text boxes. We need to add the menu items. I will speed this bit up. As you watch me add elements, you can see how we are building up the image we want precisely with absolute positioning and words. We can do the same for objects or people or things, etc. Just draw the type of box you need, resize it, and then place it where you want it. By watching me do this, you can begin to appreciate that this model is not SDXL prompting of woman, bikini, beach. What this model is, well, it is the death of the graphic designer. I have nearly finished now. I am just putting the last element in. I am sure there is a limit to how many elements you can add. I have not found it yet. Moment of truth time. Let us see some results. This is a 1024 resolution image which came out quickly. This looks real. It is funny. The model really got what we were trying to do. This next one is 2048 resolution, so more pixels to play with. At quality setting with flash attention at this resolution, the model is slow to generate, but look at the quality of it. I am currently building image to image to do 8K and 16K images workflows, so keep your eyes out. Sorry, graphic designers, I just cost you your jobs. If you like this stuff, support me on Ko-fi. Also come to my Discord to say hi. All links are below.